Yeah, so system will come to know the goods are located in reception area and the goods should be moved to the from the reception area to the final storage bin. In our business case, we using the bulk storage type where we place the cement bags. This is the backbone which I am explaining you of the processes and architecture. Okay, once we receive the goods purchase order, history gets generated and then we can process the invoicing, billing document in the material documents, billing documents, invoicing will be processed inside the, will be generated inside the system. For an example, if I will change the inventory in ECC, T code MMBE, okay, and we can receive the goods in the gates, okay, such as 204 gate number as per availability group. In my book, I have a different kind of examples, screenshots with the steps, full configuration, end-to-end configuration steps, and also in my channel you can recently I posted one of the packaging specification video, how we do the packing the material. It was an intro, okay, so you can understand the process, okay, very easily. So this is about we have a lots of processes here, explanations, but this is about the how things happens inside the warehouse process inside the system. And this is about intro about the inbound delivery. We have the more processes, configuration processes, and in the next video, I will give you some new tips and keep watching the videos and see you again, guys. Thank you very much.